Welcome to this month's new releases from the Lippert Technical Institute. Whether you're tuning in for the first time or a returning viewer, we're thrilled to have you with us. In this video, we'll be sharing updates from our virtual productions, technical publications, and technical training teams, highlighting the latest tools and resources we've been working on. Stay connected to discover the newest innovations and insights from the Lippert Technical Institute. If you enjoy these updates, be sure to give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Tap that notification bell so you never miss out. Now let's jump into this month's new releases. The Virtual Productions team has been hard at work this April, bringing you a fresh lineup of exciting new content. First up, we rolled out our toolboxes for a brand new installation video. Over on the Lippert channel, check out the solar array installation video, where Charlie walks you through the step-by-step process of mounting a solar panel to your camper. He also covers the essentials for wiring connections you'll need to keep your battery charged on those sunny days. Next, we've got something for the home improvement enthusiasts. You know what they say, when one door closes, a window opens. And that's exactly what we did. We turned our focus to heritage residential windows, releasing a helpful video series on the Lippert channel. Learn how to replace glazing beads, adjust the tension on a balance rod, and tackle several other key maintenance tasks for these windows. And finally, have you ever wondered what other resources the Lippert Technical Institute has to offer, or how you can sign up for online or in-person training? We've got you covered. On the Lippert Technical Institute channel, we dropped not one, but 2 YouTube shorts that answer both of those questions. These quick clips are designed to give you the information you need to start leveling up your skills and expanding your toolbox. That's a wrap from the Virtual Productions team. Now let's hand it over to the technical publications to see what they've been working on this month.
TechPubs has a few new documents released in April that you might find interesting. One of the latest additions is the aftermarket manual for the new Curt Helix pin box. This guide helps users identify the correct pin box based on their specific weight rating and includes detailed installation instructions. Another notable release is the aftermarket manual for our 1000 series awning featuring the durable, spring-loaded Solera Classic. We also released a new manual for the Payne Signature Collection Clickback sofa. This document includes part numbers for ordering the sofa in 62, 68, and 72-inch sizes and are available in various color options. While we revised many documents each month, one stood out for having the most updates: the troubleshooting and service manual for the anti-lock braking system in Brinkley Zair travel trailer models. This revision includes a newly added drive-off section and expanded troubleshooting guidance.
Are you looking to build your technical skill set this summer? We've got several upcoming technical training opportunities for both RV owners and technicians. This summer, we are hosting 4 RV owner schools at our facility in Mishawaka, Indiana. These intensive learning experiences will allow you to learn more about the Lippert products on your rig straight from the source. With a choose your own adventure class layout, you'll be able to curate your schedule based on your needs. Don't miss out on this opportunity to connect with other RV owners while gaining valuable knowledge. Register today. We have plenty of opportunities coming up for RV technicians as well. In June, our team is heading out to California to host one-day seminars in Sacramento and Bakersfield. These lecture-based events provide an opportunity to gain in-depth industry knowledge in a more accessible setting. We will also have some small parts and pieces used for demonstration as well. Registration will also be opening soon for our seminars in Florida and Tennessee, so be sure to keep your eyes out. If hands-on training is more your style, join us at our upcoming Technician Service School in July. This 2.5-day training focuses on providing an immersive approach to learning and uses hands-on resources to simulate scenarios you may encounter while working in the field. Space will be limited for these events, so make sure you secure your spot soon. These are just a few highlights from this last month and for what is coming up here at the Technical Institute. From our engaging YouTube channels to the comprehensive online learning platform of our Technical Institute and our ever-helpful support site, we've got you covered. Each resource is thoughtfully designed to inspire, educate, and empower. Whether you're just starting your RV journey or you're a seasoned technician, there's something valuable for everyone. Don't forget to join us next time as we explore our latest releases. Hope to see you there.